To enable backtap on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Go for the Galaxy Store. Switch into the Applications screen and click here at the top. Now, you have to go for Good Lock application. You will have to open this one. And now you have to just go for the another option. So we are looking for a Registar plugin. You will have to get it on your phone. Now we have to go for backtap action, and you can turn it on by clicking here. What you can do, enable the double tap or even triple tap. And here you can enable all of those features. So I just set a screenshot. If I'm gonna double tap, it will be taken. If I'm gonna 3 times, 1, 2, 3, it should show me some recent applications. And that's basically how it looks. Thanks for watching.